everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins and a cat named Moonshadow who always entertains us every day. I just want to thank you for coming by and watching my video and my crafts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because Moonshadow and I would love it. Thank you and continue to watch. Okay, this is this cute little bottle I got from Dollar Tree. Even though it's really cute and I like how it looks, it's a little bit lopsided. That's the way it was made. I'm going to paint it with some chalk paint. These look cute on tier trays too. These look really cute with some flowers in them. I just think they're really cute. And then I use my heat gun and give it a couple coats. Now notice when I'm doing the heat gun close to it, it makes it crackle a little bit, which I sort of like. It gives it, you can look right now and see the little lines in there. There's some crackling effect. And now I'm going to use some of my gold paint. And I'm just going to do some designs around the bottom. I have seen this same type on different websites. And they do like half white and half gold. So I'm just going to go around, just give it a little bit of a design. And I also do 2 coats of the gold after I do the heat gun. And I love the way it's making it crackle a little bit without even using any material. Because I do have like crackle paint that makes it crackle, but this definitely did it. Okay, I'm trying to find some flowers that will go with this particular little vase. And I'm just checking different stuff to use. I just want it to be really simple, not a lot of flowers. Just like a couple to make it look sort of elegant. And I love the way this turned out. Just simple, cute. Like I said, I've seen it on some online shops, and this was only probably what, $1.50. How cute is that? I love the way it looks. Okay, going on to my next DIY number 2. I got some chicken wire from Dollar Tree, and I am going to take it apart and I am going to wrap it around this glass vase that I got from Dollar Tree. It's a little tricky because it is like rolled up, so you have to try to get it out without cutting your fingers because the wires are open. So please be careful if you do this. I love the look of this. It's just really farmhouse. It takes a while because you have to like use your wire cutters and just cut all the way up through it. So I cut all the way up on the length of it. And I used a little bit of glue to glue it. And then I just took the wires and I sort of intertwined them because they're very bendable. So you intertwine it and you could press them into each other so that you don't have to use a lot of glue on the glass because I really didn't want to see the glue. And then you're going to cut around the top, and I just fold those in because I'm going to put some flowers in there. So it's not like I'm going to, you know, be using it for something other than just some home decor item. I love the way this turned out. It's just very farmhouse and it's cute, and I have seen this also in stores for like $10 and $15, and I think it cost me $2 to make. With the wire was $1, and I have a lot of wire left, thank goodness, because I can do it for other things too. And it's just very unique looking. So I hope some of you crafters out there will make some of these, or even some beginners. It's pretty easy. I just tacked it on the bottom with some glue. You can see right there. And then, like I said, I just pressed it into each other because I made sure that it had some, like a little bit of edge on it, so you can actually like intertwine it, and it just actually shuts it up or closes it. So it just takes a little bit of your time, that's all. So I'm putting these pretty flowers from Dollar Tree. This is one little bundle, and I had another one to add to it. I'm going to tie a little checkered ribbon around it, just to add some color to it. I used the little flower bouquets that had the little butterflies on it, which I thought added a nice little touch. Look how cute this is. Wait till you see the final picture. Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. Look how pretty it looks. It's just something that really is a little bit unique that you can put in your house. Okay, DIY number 3 is this plaque that I got from Dollar Tree. It's got a freestanding like stand on it. I am going to just paint it with Dollar Tree's craft paint in black. And I'm going to use that cute little windmill that everybody seems to be looking at and seeing. I've seen a lot of them at Dollar Tree. And it does spin, so if you put it outside, it probably would blow in the wind, which would be pretty cool. I do like this like plaque too, because it was really pretty with the gold around it. But, you know, we have to paint it. Especially if you're going to use it in a DIY. Trying to get the sticker off the back, and I've used my heat gun to pull it up, and I'm going to paint the back also, because in case you want to see it from all sides, it'll be painted and it'll look really like finished. This was really pretty easy one. I wanted to do something with the windmill. I hadn't really thought of anything so far. I was going to do a wreath and put it in the middle, but I might do another one and then paint the windmill. But I thought this was just something pretty easy. And actually it didn't need 2 coats because it's that wood just, or that, I guess it's like a pressed board. It just soaked in all that paint. So it only needs 1 coat. Now I'm going to take the chain off of the windmill. First I'm taking the tag off first, of course. And then I'm going to take the chain off. Save the chain because you could use it in something else. That was a really tough chain. I couldn't even get my wire cutters to cut it out. I had to pry it apart. All right, now I'm just gonna use my glue gun and glue it down to the plaque. Like I said, it's a pretty quick, I mean, it's not as quick as, you know, because you still have to paint it, let it dry, paint it. And now I'm just gonna use some of my glue and I'm going to tack it to the back of the plaque. And I like it because it does spin around, which is pretty cool. I did use some clips and let it dry for a little bit. And there you have it. I think it looks really cute. And it does spin around. I should have spinned it around so you could see, but how cute is that? There's my little wired chicken wire vase. That turned out gorgeous. I love that. And there's my little windmill. How cute is that? And there's my little, it's like a bubble vase. I love this one too. I just think it's simple and it's elegant and it's really cute. So I hope you guys will subscribe and hit the like button and become a part of our family. Just know that we love you and we hope you're safe and happy, and just be kind to each other and have a great week.